Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. In this video I am going to explain you how to use Vlookup function to get information from another sheet. So here in this example, if you can see, employee name is empty. I have to get the employee names added in this cell from sheet 2. Employee IDs and their names are saved in sheet 2. So I have to use Vlookup function to get the names from sheet 2 to sheet 1. Let's see how can we do that. So there are two methods. The first one is using selecting range method. Second one is named range. Let's see. Selecting range method is equal to Vlookup comma table array. Go to sheet 2, select range comma. So here the employee name is second column, employee name column is second column, so I have to type here column index as 2 and 0 for exact match. The data has to be retrieved only when the employee ID is existing in the list, otherwise it should reflect an error message. Hit enter key. As you can see here, James is retrieved from the sheet 2. Drag down to remaining cells to get the remaining employee IDs filled with names. So this is how Vlookup is used to retrieve the data, to fetch the data from another sheet. So this is what the selecting range method. Now I delete this. Now I'll show you how to use named range method to get the Vlookup executed. So for that, go to sheet 2, select this range, click on formulas, click on name manager, click on new, type some name here. So I have given the name as employee details. For this entire range I have given a name, that is employee details. Click on OK, close. Now come back to sheet 1. So whatever the name I have given, it is listed here. You can see employee details. So now is equal to Vlookup, same lookup value will be A4 comma. So here table array, there is no need to go to sheet 2 and select the range every time. Just hit F3 function key on keyboard, so that paste name dialog box is displayed on the screen. Select the employee details name, click on OK, comma. As usual, it is second column from where the names has to be fetched, comma 0. Close parenthesis, hit enter key. So this is how the second method is, named range method. Somewhat easier than selecting range method. There is no need to select the range every time whenever we want to execute the Vlookup or some other function. So these are the two methods using which we can execute the Vlookup function. Hope you have understood the concept. Please view, like, share and comment if any. Thanks for watching.